everybody, welcome back to the Ninja Traders. Today I'm going to go over some really great gift ideas that you can give your friend or family or loved one. If that's something that you want to hear more about, go ahead and keep watching this video. We're going to get right into it. Okay, so I'm going to be looking at my phone because I have everything listed that I want to show you guys and go over. The first item I have is a planner and planner accessories. It's great to have a planner if you're trying to become an entrepreneur or a solopreneur and you're starting a business or you have a side hustle, because you can write down your goals, your priorities, and your to-do tasks in this planner. Right now, this one, I really like it because it has a nice clean white surface. It has 2021, 2022 written in gold. And if you open the planner, it has these stickers that you can go ahead and place into your calendar. The calendar is separated by months, so it goes all the way until June of next year, 2022. And you just have all the months and dates listed for you. And what I like to do is put the stickers that I showed you into my planner if I have a really great idea or something that I want to take notice of, or as a little reward whenever I check off a to-do task. I also have these other planner accessories that are really great to add to your planner. If you don't have it right now, this one is by the Happy Planner Girl. This isn't sponsored or anything. These planner accessories have these really awesome stickers that you can add to your planner in order to reward yourself or to highlight something that you may have done and you're proud of yourself for doing. So as someone who is on the road to becoming an entrepreneur or solopreneur, I think these are great gifts to have. I always appreciate when people give me cute little stickers that I can add to my planner. The next great idea is going to be a journal. So me personally, I use my journal to write my thoughts. I use my journal to write what I'm grateful for. So I use it as a gratitude journal and also as just like a brain dump journal. If you haven't noticed the theme, I really like gold and rose gold. In this journal specifically, I like to write what I'm grateful for. So I consider this my gratitude journal. If you're not sure what to get your friend, a journal is one of the simplest things that is, in my opinion, really thoughtful and a great gift to give if you're trying to help them out in their hustle. I also have this gratitude journal. It says start with gratitude, and it has a bunch of prompts for you to fill out in order to get your mind right, in order to be in a state of gratitude. So right now my goal is to fill this out and complete it before 2022. Water break. In my journey to become an entrepreneur and creating a YouTube channel, one of the best items I have in my repertoire is a hard drive. So this hard drive, I believe it's either 2 or 3 terabytes. Everything I'm talking and mentioning will be linked down below if you'd like to go ahead and take a look at it yourself. I love this hard drive because I can store all my footage, all of my b-roll, my music, and all of my sounds. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of all the videos that come out on my channel. This next gift idea might not come to mind or to the top of your head when you're thinking of something to give to a friend or family member who's pursuing entrepreneurship, but books, in my opinion, is one of the greater gifts that you could give someone, especially Rich Dad, Poor Dad. I'm pretty sure a lot of entrepreneurs and people seeking to become millionaires and escape the 9-to-5 have read Rich Dad, Poor Dad, which is, I believe, in the repertoire of books that if you're trying to live that lifestyle, you've already read or it's on your to-read list. The next product on the list is the Google Home Mini, which is a smart speaker, a smart device. Right now in my house I do have an Alexa, and I absolutely love how helpful she is. I can set reminders, I can let her know what I want to buy on Amazon, or set a shopping list, or set alarms. It's really great to just be able to speak my mind and have the smart assistant take note of it and then remind me later at the time that I allow and that I ask her to. I do have both. I'm not leaning towards one or the other. I'd like to have one in my room and the other in the living room. That way I don't have to shout and scream at the device for it to hear me. If you think one is better than the other, let me know in the comments down below. So with all of these great gift ideas, I will have them linked down in the description box below, so if you'd like to look at them and if you think that you want to get them for a friend or family member, go ahead and check them out below. Another great item is a wireless charger. Right now I have this wireless charger that I use for my Android phone. My friends and family and boyfriend also use it for their Apple products if they have one. It charges everything really great, so just in case they forget their wire, it is available for anyone who's visiting or stopping by or spending the night. So if you have an entrepreneurial person in mind and you want to get them something great, you can never go wrong with this wireless charger. Our next gift idea is going to be a whiteboard. This one specifically is a calendar whiteboard. Any whiteboard will do. I just like that this one already has the lines on it. It has my goals of what I want to accomplish every single day. So right now I have YouTube and trading and editing videos on it. It's super easy to use. I use it every single day if I want to add something new to it, like if I have another idea. I don't know if you can see, but over here I have to do, and in bullet points I have some things that I want to get done, some items and things that I want to create. So I think this is a great item to give to a friend, especially if you're like me and you can't just give one gift. Like, you have to pair it or make it in threes. So if you bundle this with like the planner and the planner accessories along with the whiteboard, some cute markers and an eraser, I would be absolutely ecstatic and somebody gave me such a thoughtful gift. If you really enjoy this video, go ahead and smash that like button. It helps with the YouTube algorithm and it gets my video out into the YouTube world for others to see and view. Another item that I cannot live without and that I think every entrepreneur should have in their home is an espresso machine. I used to have to go out and buy cafe con leche because I'm addicted to this stuff every single day before I went to work, and it has saved me a lot of money that I can use to invest into other things by being able to make it at my house myself. It's really easy to use. You just put the water in the top, you put the espresso in the little strainer, hook it all up, turn on the machine, and it comes out the bottom, which I love to add almond milk and a creamer that is either caramel macchiato or white mocha. I know it sounds really basic, but I absolutely love those flavors, especially pumpkin. So if you don't have an espresso machine or you know a friend that doesn't have an espresso machine, this is a really, really great gift idea that I highly, highly recommend you get for them. So speaking of coffee and espresso, this next gift is very useful if you want to pair the two, and it is a coffee mug, or a giant coffee mug to be more specific. I don't know if you can read it, but it says coffee, tea, and me. I'm gonna do like those makeup artists and put my hand back. I don't know if it'll zoom in or not because I can't see everything in the camera. So like the cup says, I love coffee and I love tea. And I love really big mugs, so if you enjoy drinking coffee and tea and you have friends that enjoy drinking coffee and tea and you want to get them something really nice, I do recommend getting them really big coffee or tea mugs. If you've ever been on a trip, this has probably happened to you. You forgot your charger, or you have a long drive and there isn't a place to stop and charge or plug in your phone. Well, a really great thing to have are portable chargers. So right now this one is pocket juice, and I take it with me whenever I have trips to go on, or if my charger is broken or I can't find it. These things are really great in charging my device whenever I need it most, and I think they're really great gifts to give to people. They are nice and compact, they're not bulky. Also, if you don't want to ruin the wire on your charger for the one at home, I do recommend having the pocket juice and just putting it away in your backpack for safekeeping or in your bag, whatever you need it for. You can leave it at your desk, you can leave it in your car. Just make sure you charge it every now and then after you use it, otherwise you won't be able to charge your devices. The next gift idea is a webcam. You can see the difference when you use a webcam versus your own built-in webcam to your laptop. It's a lot clearer, it's not as grainy, so if you want to step up your meeting game for your business, I do suggest getting a webcam. So we're almost done with this gift idea for entrepreneurs. So coming up, I have Bluetooth headphones, which are really great if you are working on a really important project and you need to concentrate and you enjoy listening to lo-fi music or frequency music or any other type of music that helps you concentrate. I think this gift is great for entrepreneurs, especially those who need to block out the noise of what's going on around them in order to sit down and focus on the very important work that they have. The last gift idea on this list are AirPods, which are really great because they can connect wirelessly to your iPhone. They don't have a wire that will get in the way of you working or tangled, and you can do pretty much anything with them as long as your phone is really close to you. So you can go work out, you can walk around and talk. If the person you have in mind to gift doesn't already own a pair of AirPods, then they will be overjoyed if you were to gift them some brand new AirPods. Thanks for coming by and watching all the way through to the end of this video. Have a great, amazing day, and I hope these gift ideas really help you narrow down your list of what to give your friend or family or loved one. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!